Hey everybody, it's Beth. I grabbed 3 of the Dollar Tree crates as well as some of their nautical rope. I took hot glue and glued the crates together end to end. Next, I am taking the nautical rope and gluing that all around the sides of the crates. And it did take 3 packages to cover that completely. Once I had all the rope filled in, I took khaki color acrylic paint and placed it on the bottom of the crates and just used a baby wipe to blend it all around the bottom of those 3. I then am adding some hot glue into each of the crates and adding in floral foam. On top of the foam, I am hot gluing some tumbling tower blocks. Those are also from Dollar Tree. I glued 3 next to each other in the center of the foam on the first one. The second one, I am making it 2 layers of tumbling blocks, so it'll be a little bit higher. And then on that third one, just the 3 again. Next, I'm taking these glass candle holders, also from Dollar Tree, and gluing those to the tumbling blocks. I'm taking these picks that I got from Walmart and cutting all of those off and filling those into the floral foam. And that is it for this project. Thank you so much for watching.